Hi friends, welcome to our new video on alphabet. Come, let's learn it through AI graphics. And now, let us step into the magical world of alphabets, where every letter has its own light.
A is for ants arrive with an anvil zing. B is for bouncing bubbles with a bubble boing.
C
D is for dancing daisies with a dewdrop plip.
E is for echoing elves singing an ethereal hymn.
F is for flying fairies with a fairy flitter. G is for giggling ghosts with a ghostly giggle. H is for happy hippos with a hiccup honk. I is for icy igloos with an icicle tinkle.
jumping jellyfish with a jelly jiggle.
K is for kind kangaroos with a kangarooka thump. L is for little lizards leaping with a lively lyric. M is for mischievous monkeys with a monkey murmur. N is for napping narwhals with a narwhal nuzzle. O is for orchestra of octopi playing an octave.
P is for playful penguins with a penguin pitter-pat.
Q is for quiet queens with a quill quiver. R is for racing rabbits with a rabbit rustle. S is for smiling snails with a snare slide. Tootling turtles with a turtle tootle.
U is the letter under the sea.
Umbrellas floating gracefully.
V is the letter vibrant and sweet, with violets humming at your feet. W is the letter bold and true, with walruses whooshing just for you. X is the letter crisp and quick, with xeris squeaking soft and slick.
Y is the letter yawning slow, with yetis rumbling soft and low.
Z is the letter zooming fast, with zeppelins zipping as they pass.
Thanks for watching the video. Please do like, share, and subscribe.